I know you want to make more money this year, and I'm sure that these business ideas will fetch you extra money, so keep watching.
Ryan Little.
Hi Bethans, welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time here, hi, I'm really glad to have you. And of course, this is a great video to start with because today I want to share with you some business ideas that will make you more money in little or no time. So let's dive right into it. The first idea on my list is writing. Look, this skill is sometimes underrated, but trust me when I say you can make a whole lot of money from writing. Content creation is the new cool, and a lot of organizations are looking for creative minds that can help them write catchy articles for their businesses. Several people are also looking for someone that can help them write their project or their thesis, as the case may be. There are newspaper houses, journals, blogs, name them. And the best part is you don't even have to leave the comfort of your home to do all of this. All you need is your notepad on your smartphone, your laptop, and very good internet. Now, imagine writing for a multinational company and getting paid in dollars. My friend, if you're a writer, start promoting yourself right now. Start harnessing that writing skill, okay? The second idea is cleaning services. Right now, we're all more health and safety conscious than we were the year before, if we're being honest with ourselves. We practically wash our hands and sanitize within short intervals. Now, what that tells you is that nobody wants to be in a dirty environment. But the problem is that not all of us have the time to do thorough cleaning. And as funny as that sounds, it's our reality. Some people have very busy schedules that doesn't even give room for extra work like cleaning, and that's where you come in. Get a few hands that can clean properly. Advertise yourself in church, banks, schools, and so on. Tell them that you can solve that singular cleaning problem for them at an affordable cost. It's that simple. You can even do it by yourself if you have extra time on your hands, so definitely give it a thought. I know a lot of people lost their jobs during the lockdown and all of that, so cleaning is something that is very, very important right now, and if you can clean for people and get paid for it, why not? The third idea is online tutoring. Gone are the days when you must resume classes at 8 a.m, close at 5 p.m. just because you have extra lesson hours, home classes, and all that. Look, the world is changing and so is learning. Right now, you can reach all your students via one online class and from the comfort of your home, just like what I'm doing now. I did my room. I teach you how to make extra money. Una they watch me, month end, you to go carry my money, pay me. Bakam. So you see, online tutoring is quite profitable. And no, it's not just maths and English that should be taught online. If you have a skill, please feel free to share with the world and get paid for it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, okay? See, if you be class teacher, come close, let me tell you something, because I know my neighbors here with and won't talk. One of the easiest ways to connect to your target audience as an online tutor would be to sign up on Tutoring and Prep class. They connect parents to freelance tutors. Oh, by the way, this wasn't even a sponsored post in any way. I just thought to share because, again, why not? Next up is being a middleman. See, personally, I did not know how lucrative this business was until last year. And trust me when I say I made cool cash doing this job. Being a middleman simply means you solving a problem between a supplier and a consumer via contracts. And of course, this greatly lies on how well you can network with people. Now, for example, as a middleman, you can walk up to a school principal and tell him or her that you can be supplying them stationery at a very discounted price. Now, once they agree, all you need to do is look for a stationery vendor that sells in bulk, buy at a more cheaper rate, and supply to the school. This way, you're doing three things at the same time. One, you're solving a problem for the school. Two, you're helping the vendor make more sales. And most importantly, you're making extra cash for yourself. Look, it doesn't even have to be a school. Just figure out what services you can render to people. Ease them off of stress and get paid for it, okay? The last idea for this video is starting a logistics or a delivery agency. Of course, we all know what we went through in the year 2020. Shopping was mostly done online, which meant that more online businesses opened up last year. And although the lockdown has been eased in some places, these businesses are still thriving. Now, this also means that there's always going to be a constant need for deliveries. I'm well aware that one of your worries right now is, oh, Betha, there are lots of logistics companies already. Look, just make sure to get reliable hands. Once your service is top-notch, referrals will definitely come through, okay? There's been lots of cases where riders fail to deliver a customer's item. You know, sometimes it's even food and they end up eating it and blaming their inefficiency on traffic or network. Oh, I called you, you did not pick up, the traffic was too much. You want to make sure to correct such notions with your own logistics company. So just take a look into it, okay? Let me mention this to you guys. As much as these ideas sound very easy, you know, simple to start off and all of that, you need to understand that nothing good comes easy. You need to make your research, find out what works for you, find out that problem you need to solve in your current environment. Like, what is that one service they always look for but never find? Now, that's exactly where you need to be. That's exactly what you need to be doing, okay? Alright guys, these are the few ideas I thought about that could help you make some money this year and beyond. Business ideas that can fetch you money really fast. Let me know in the comment section what other side hustles or businesses we can do to make extra money, because of course we need to level up. This is 2021, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a very big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and also subscribe if you haven't. Once again, my name is Austin Betha, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.